mngardener here. Today we're going to do a little experiment. Basically what we're looking at is a cold weather crop here, and we know that the next couple days is going to be around 100 degrees, so we want to make sure that, hey guys, got our neighbors walking by. You always got to say hi to your neighbors. So what we don't want to see is these guys bolt and go to seed. So since we know it's going to be really hot, the goal, it's going to be kind of an experiment. We'll find out how it works. We're going to cut it low, and then hopefully what will happen is it won't take all that heat right into the green and decide that it's gonna, gotta make sure I get my seeds out there because it's so hot I might not make it. So basically what we'll do is we'll come in here, we'll get nice and low, and we'll start harvesting just like that. Ain't nothing to it, a little bit at a time. And what we're planning on doing is we're only gonna, for this one to understand how our experiment works, which that's all what gardening is all about. That's the only reason why we know anything, is because we try things out and see what happens. And that's part of the fun, is you never know. What we'll do is we'll harvest a big section of it, and then we'll leave a portion of it so that we can see how it gets impacted by the heat. This is our southern facing garden, so we get the most heat right here, and so we will definitely see how that impacts right here. There is a little bit of cover on the back side of the day with the lilac bush right here, so it does get a break at the end of the day. But on the next video that we're doing about this, we'll show you what happens. So, and as always, have a good day now.